What's up everybody, this is CKNNA. Welcome to the 8th tutorial in HTML. In today's class, we're going to be looking at how to add inline CSS to an HTML document. So as I told you earlier on, we just open a tag where we want to put it. So in this case, I want to add some color to the header, and then I want to set a height also for the header. So you realize that when you open a tag like this header, it closes here, so everything that goes here affects only the content in the two header tags. So to start with, you bring the keyword style, then you say style equals double quotes. So when you bring the double quotes, everything goes into the double quotes over here, and this is going to be your complete CSS file. Okay, so let me start by adding some height to my header. So I'm going to say height, let me say 100 pixels. So the px over here means pixels, and the pixel is what is the unit of measurement in HTML. Okay, so I terminate this. If it were an external file, you realize that if I terminate this, I go to the next line before I write the next code. But this one is inline, so I'll continue on this same line. So let me add background color to my header. So background, I'm just gonna be using some like blue. This is just for demonstration purpose. My coloring might not be really so sweet, but just pardon with me. We save this document, and instead of just seeing black and white over here, let's refresh the page and see what happens. Alright, we realize that our background gets a color of blue, and it also got some height. So if we feel that this height is too big for us or something, we can just reduce it to probably 50. Then you see how it also affects it. So I go back here and I refresh my page. The height also reduces automatically. Alright, let's try to add something to the footer to also make that one a little bit nicer than what we're seeing over here. So I'm going down to the footer tags, then I'll bring my style over here. So style. So let me bring the background color. Alright, so maybe I have to do this one also blue so that it matches with the header or something, but you are at liberty to choose any color you want to choose, or do it anyhow you want to do it. Probably have a different color or something. So I'm going to have my height, and I'll set it to be equal to 30 pixels. Alright, I save this document and I come down and I refresh my page. It also gives you a height of 30 pixels, and the background is blue. But take a notice of something. This side I brought the height before the background, but this place I brought the background before the height. It doesn't matter how you arrange them, it works fine. This is not like a programming language like Java and the rest, where procedural effects also take action, maybe giving you some kind of logic errors and all that. This one, no matter how you arrange them, they give you the good effects that you want them to give, provided your code is well written. So this is just a way of adding an inline CSS file. We can add more things to this, probably border, height of the page, width of the page, and whole lots of things that we can add in CSS. So this is just for a very simple demonstration purpose. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the next tutorial, I'll introduce you to another way of adding CSS to HTML. Thank you very much.